With over 75 years of expertise, Echo has developed the new Garden Plus series. Simply connect and get to work. The DSRM-310 grass trimmer is equipped with a plant protector and proportional trigger for safe and precise work in all conditions. The self-propelled lawnmower features variable speed control for comfortable and easy motion. Regular bagging, side discharge or mulching options give you true versatility. The DSRM-310 grass trimmer features a large dual line, 30 cm cutting swath, and a high-torque motor for powerful and precise trimming. So go ahead, transform your garden plus our expertise.